500,000 of people. That's the population of Düsseldorf in Germany, or the population of Genoa in Italy, or of Athens in Greece, or of Lisbon in Portugal. That's how many 500,000 of Ukrainians have been abducted to Russia during the war. Russian soldiers seize people on the temporarily occupied territories and take them to filtration camps at gunpoint. The elderly, children, women, men are interrogated and tortured there. They are forcibly undressed, beaten. Their documents are taken away. For refusal and resistance, they are shot on the spot. The survivors are then transported to the harsh and depressed areas of Russia, including Siberia and the Arctic Circle. There, they are forbidden to speak Ukrainian, housed in cold barracks, and as slaves are sent to compulsory labor.
Ми ховалися від бомбардувань у підвалі. Мама пішла по воду і не виходила на зв'язок 2 доби. Потім зателефонувала і квапливо сказала, що їх вивозять в Ленінградську область потягом, а далі на якусь роботу. Більше зв'язку з мамою ми не мали.
Forced deportation are going on even while you are watching this video. The United Nations Human Rights Council, International Society for Human Rights, Human Rights Watch, Office for Democratic Institutions and Human Rights, International Committee of the Red Cross, International Organization for Migration. What are you going to do about it?